What's going on, beautiful people? Today we are in the garden and we're going to be sowing some bush beans. Yes, some beautiful bush beans. So my wife has a target of where we're going to be sowing these. So let's go. Okay, this is the area that we're going to be using for our bush beans. Now we already have some beans planted in the back, so they will grow up this fence here. So now we want to put some beans in front of those that are going to bush. And we just previously took out potatoes in this area. So we're going to fill this up with beans and get this thing growing. All right, so here's what we got right here. The Burpee garden bean, Burpee stringless, green pod. That's what we're looking at. So that's what we're going to be doing. All right, you got the pitchfork? Thank you, son. Appreciate you, buddy. We got to get some weeds out. That's what my wife is telling me. So, yeah, these little tiny things here. So it's going to take us a minute to get these weeds out. Hopefully it doesn't rain. I just heard thunder. When the thunder roars, go indoors. Actually, it's the first time hearing it. So, because we played outside in the thunder back in the day, so it didn't matter if it was thunder and lightning, we were outside in it. So, either that or in the house with no electricity going, just sitting in the dark. All right, we're gonna have to hurry up because I'm starting to feel just a hair of a raindrop. So I went ahead and kind of hoed this a little bit just to break up these little tiny pieces of grass and just kind of getting them out of there, getting the ground nice and even. I know there's some rocks in here, but that's, it's okay. It's not going to hinder. We can throw out some of these rocks, but it's not going to hinder the growth of the bean because, the roots go down. Unless they're big rocks. I mean, but we do want to get some of these rocks out of here. Just, All right. So what we're going to do, we have here the seeding square, and that's what we're going to use today. All right. So this is where we're going to be putting our seeding square right there. And I'm just going to take this stick that came with it and poke in every yellow, nice, right straight down. Very easy. Very easy. And voila. Okay. Now I'm going to take a seed and put it in each hole. I know.
Is that an ant carrying an ant?
There we go. Probably.
Yep.
So let me remove this. I see where the holes are. Put it in there.
Remember, there's 3.
Put it in there. Where was my third hole?
In the middle. Don't do that.
Let's put it in there. Put it in there. There's one
hole in between the 2.
right there. Put it in there.
9.
All right. Oops.
Those are some fat beans.
Let's put one in there. Move that stick out of the way. And put one in there. And we got one more hole.
Did you get the one in the very
One
center?
right there. I got one in every one.
Okay.
All right. So now what we want to do is we're going to cover these up and press down firmly.
Beautiful.
Piece of cake. Piece of cake. Okay, so I'm going to readjust the seating square right here, and we're going to do the same thing. Poke holes. Oh, got a rock right there, but that's okay. Let's see what we got. Oh, yeah, nice. We need 9 seeds. It's 3, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Right there. And then we just put them in the hole. 1, 2, There's 3. Get down in there. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and there was 1 here, I believe. Right there, I believe it was. 9. Cover it up.
Wanna be tickled?
There we go.
Wanna be tickled?
And voila.
Beautiful.
18 seeds planted. What's beautiful about bush beans is they don't take up much. They don't take up much space. You're looking at about 1.5 feet by 2 feet area. So if you don't have a lot of land, or you don't have a lot of sowing area with bush beans, you can get, all you need is 1.5 feet by 2 feet sowing area, and you're good to go. Now all we got to do is label it. My lovely wife is doing that, and we'll know exactly where the bush beans are. And like I was saying earlier, right along the back of the fence, where that white tag is right there, that's where we have some beans that will actually climb this fence here and produce beans for us as well. We already have some beans down in here that are ready to go, that are growing. They will climb up the fence as well. So yeah, right through here we have 3 cucumbers. We got 1 right there, 1 right there, and 1 right there. They will go up this trellis here. This, we're not sure what that is. That came up, so we're not really sure what that is. So it could be a squash. We're not all too sure, but we will find out eventually. Okay, leave that alone, bud. Leave it alone. Thank you, sir. There you have it. I'm sweating like a pig. My gosh, it thundered a little bit, but that's it. That's all it did was thunder. There was no rain at all. I was supposed to be calling for it, but I'm out here sweating like a pig. But anyway, I'll holler at you guys. Love y'all. Y'all take it easy. Keep growing, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.